Hi guys, welcome to RPA Stuff. In today's video we are going to learn how to create and use DLL file in Automation Anywhere. DLL stands for Dynamic Link Library. A DLL is a library that contains code and data that can be used by more than one program at the same time. To create DLL file, we need Microsoft Visual Studio. You can download free community version of Visual Studio from Windows Store or from Microsoft's official website. It's recommended to learn C# programming language or at least to have basic understanding of object-oriented programming. Let's start with creating basic DLL. Open Visual Studio and click on Create New Project. Look for Class Library.NET Framework in Project Templates. Description for this template clearly states it's for DLL file. Select and click on Next. Now give a suitable name for the project. I will name my project as Demo. Give a location to store all project-related files. You can select framework as .NET Framework 4.8 or 4.7.2. I will go with 4.8. In Visual Studio Editor window, we will find commonly required libraries imported in initial few lines. It will be followed by namespace. Namespace encloses all classes we are going to create in this project. Name of namespace is same as project name. I will change the class name as test and create a method inside that will take string as input parameter and return a string value. I will name this method as message. It will take name as input and will return a short message back with given name. Click on Save and go to Build tab above. Click on Build Solution. It will take few seconds to create file. You can see the status of build and output section below. After completing build, you can find location of DLL file created in output. Now let's go to Automation Anywhere and test our DLL file. Create a taskbot with suitable name. Search for DLL package and drag and drop open action. Enter the file path of the DLL file. It's recommended to use variable, but for demo purpose I will mention it directly. Let's have a close DLL session too. We will have all DLL run function between open and close. In Run DLL action, click on Get Details button. Select the DLL file path and click on Next. Automation Anywhere will identify all details from the file. You can find the namespace we created, and if we expand it we can find class test we have inside the namespace. Similarly, if we click on Test Class, we can find our message method inside, along with some predefined methods. Select Message Method and click on Apply. Automation Anywhere will autofill the details according to your selection. It has also identified input parameters required by the function. Let us create a string variable name with a default value to pass it to the function. Now click on Edit Parameter and assign the string variable name we created. Save the output to the sample string variable. To see the output, let's have a message box to print sample string variable. Save the bot and run it. Our bot ran successfully and displayed the correct message. Now let us create function that will take two numbers and return the greatest number among them. I will add this function in same DLL file. The steps are similar. Create a public method with return type as integer. I will call this method as maximum. To find greatest number, I will use math library function. Math.max directly gives highest number of the provided input. Save the project and again click on Build Solution. This will update our DLL file too. Now, let's run this function in our bot. Create two number type variable and assign a random value to it. Drag and drop another DLL run action before close session. Follow the same steps to get DLL details. Select the method maximum in final step. In input parameters section, add the two number variables we had created. This function returns an integer type value. So, we need to assign output of this function to number type variable. Use a message box to print output of the run function. Since it's a number type variable, we need to convert it to string. Adding :number dot to string in front of number variable converts it to string. Save and run the bot. If you find this video helpful, please like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Our bot has run successfully and has displayed correct output. Now let us learn how to pass list variable to DLL function. I am going to create a function to sort list of number in ascending order. To do this, create a public method with return type and input parameter as integer array. To define an array, just add square brackets while declaring data type. I have defined an array named numbers as input parameter. Array.sort is the predefined method that sorts numbers in ascending order. Return the number array and save the file. Build the solution again to update our DLL file. Now go back to Automation Anywhere and create a list variable of number type. For demo purpose, I have entered random numbers as default values. Just like our previous examples, use DLL run function action. Click on Get Details button and select the correct namespace, class and method. In Input Parameters section, specify our list variable and assign the output of the function to the same variable. Now to see output of this function, we will assign all values from list variable to string variable. Drag and drop loop command and select iterator as each value in a loop. Select the list variable in source and select number variable sample number to hold current iteration value. Now look for string assign action and assign sample string space sample number dot to string value to the sample string variable. This will give us sorted values separated by spaces. Now add a message box after the loop to print output. Save the bot and run it. Our bot ran successfully, but we can see our initial message 2 in the start because I didn't empty the sample string variable before reusing it. Let's fix that by adding assign string action before loop and assign blank value to sample string variable. Save the bot and run it. Our bot has run successfully and has displayed correct output. That's it for today, guys. Hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video.